sister asked the question that Paul said about tongues. If you give me the reference, I'll be in a better position. There are many things mentioned in the Bible about tongues. There are many verses in the Quran which speaks about tongue. If you give me the reference what you're talking about, I'll be in a better position to reply to you. But generally, there are many statements in the Bible talking about tongues. And also says, if you read the Gospel of Mark, it says that anyone who is a believer, he will be able to understand foreign tongues and speak foreign tongues. That means if you are a believer in God, then you can understand foreign languages and you can speak foreign languages. So that's what I did when I had a debate with Dr. William Campbell. I gave him a 100-rupee note. And the Indian 100-rupee note, as you may be aware, since we have got 22 official languages, I read in English 100 rupees, Hindi says 100 rupiah. I asked him to read the other 20 languages if he's a believer, and he could not.